This one is simple. This one is easy. Take a quick note on this. This is going to make you a ton of money. And you can do it right here, right now, right after this session. And that is this. I want you to get in the habit of reaching back out to those prospects that you're working with right now and letting them know this. Hey, Steve, Matt Easton with Easton University. I just want to let you know, it goes without saying, but I wanted you to hear it from me. We want your business. I want your business. We want to work with your team. I feel like I have a very, very high level understanding of your current situation and the problems that you guys are trying to solve, and I just want you to hear it from me. I want the business. I understand the situation, and I have everything you need to solve that problem. I give you my word that problem will be solved, or I give you my word that that result, whatever it is, will be achieved. Far too often, we do all of this work in sales and building rapport and taking people to coffee and having lunch and doing these calls and Zoom meetings, yet, holy crap, I never told that person. I want their business. I understand their situation, and I am confident that I can solve their problem. Right? We don't do that because that gets into our feelers, right? That gives me anxiety letting somebody know I want their business, right? You know what that gets you in the real world? Because everything that I teach also works in the real world. That gets you in the friend zone. You don't want to be in the friend zone if you're trying to get married, and you don't want to be in the friend zone if you're trying to get a sale. Do you know how many people where one party in that relationship is like, I love them so much, oh my God, if I could marry them, that would be the greatest thing ever. And the other person is like, man, I wish they were interested in me because they're my best friend, but clearly they're not interested in me. The other, you have to go, hey, yo, I really like hanging out with you. We are best friends. I want you to know this. I am interested in taking this relationship to the next level, right? I am confident that you and I would be a great fit. Does it make sense for us to think about maybe going out on an official date, right? You have to say that or you're going to hang out in the little box that you're in. It's no different with us in sales. Let that client know, hey, I realize this might sound silly. I realize this goes without saying, but I want you to hear it from me. I want your business. I want to work with your organization. I want to work with your company. I understand the situation you guys are in right now. I know where you want to take things. And I am totally confident based on everything that you told me that I can get you there. And I just wanted to let you know that. Whenever you are ready to go, I am ready to go. I am all in. Whatever the next steps you think are appropriate, I'm ready to rock and roll. If you start leaving a couple voicemails like that, or even better, get somebody on the phone and have that conversation with them, it is going to be really difficult for them to choose another vendor, another person, another supplier, or another company over you. How many times have you been like, they don't want my business? How many times in your personal life with your spouse or whatever, somebody's coming over, they want to do some work at your house, and you're like, they don't even want our business? Because they're not telling you that. Make sure that we don't make that mistake.
The world of sales has completely changed. Today's customer has access to more information. Today's customer has more choices. The business world needs you. Studies have shown that 84% of salespeople fail to achieve their goals. The old sales training, well, it just doesn't work today. I'd like to teach you how to take the stress out of selling in a way that's meaningful to you and your customers and get you 7 times more business. I'll show you how the perfect sales process works. I'm gonna walk you through everything from prospecting to closing the deal. I'm gonna show you how to determine your prospects' wants and their needs so you can build value in your solutions. You will learn how to handle any objection or complaint. I'm gonna show you how to connect with your customer so it's easy for them to buy from you. I've taught the best companies in the world and thousands of people just like you how to hit their targets. Selling is complicated. I'll simplify it for you. There's more competition than ever before. I'm gonna show you how to be number one. All of a sudden, your career It's gonna make perfect sense, even if you've never worked in sales or the corporate world before. And for the advanced sales professionals, I'm gonna show you how to take things to the next level. Easton University is a new, simple, step-by-step process that's effective in any industry, large or small. You are about to become a certified master sales consultant. I'm Matt Easton, and this is Easton University.